Yeah. Badumu, Tom. So today we want to do setting out. We are at Inteje, we local government, Anambra State. So maybe if you have gone to our page, you might have seen this building here. So this is the building. This is the building we started 4 months ago. So we are at the roofing stage now. So they are taking the roofing carcass on top of the roof to start roofing. So today here we want to start the bungalow. So you can see we want to start setting out of a bungalow here. So that is what we want to do. To young engineers, maybe if you've not done the practical aspect of setting out, I believe this video is for you. All you have to do is to follow this page, follow this channel, like it, share, comment, and listen attentively. Follow everything we are going to do. And I promise you that whatever we are going to do here, I will do it step by step, so that even if you are a novice and you have not done it before, from this video, you will be able to learn everything that concerns setting out of a building. So that is what we want to do today. So let's start the work. So first of all, if you want to start setting out, go to your drawing. Go and get me that drawing. Go to your plan, the plan you want to do. You measure out check the So let me bring the plan. I will show you what I want to say. So check the dimension, the longer side of the building. That is where you must start from. The longer side of your building, that is where you will start from. You must not start from the lower side or lower dimension of your building. So look at this plan now. So this is a bungalow. We want to start a bungalow here. If you look at it, we find out that this is the longer side of the building. So you have to start from here to here. Get the distance. When you measure the distance, assuming that the distance is 15 meters, you add extra 3 meters. Why you will add that extra 3 meters is for your profile, where you are going to situate your profile. Because if you do it exactly the dimension of the building, you will notice that when you are doing your profile, the profile leg will fall inside the digging portion, so which will eventually affect your setting out. So you have to give extra 3 feet, or maybe call it 1 meter, or maybe I can say like 2 meters. Add extra 2 meters to the dimension you have measured from your drawing, so that whenever you are doing your profile, you will still have a more space you can walk around. And it will also help you when you are setting your pillars. You know, pillars, some of them, some do direct to decking. Maybe if you are doing something like direct to decking, where you have to carry a very long pillar, and you know it bears a lot of weight. So giving extra 2 meters to your dimension, it will help you a lot. So you have to start from here. This is the lower side, this is the width. Start from the length, which is the longer side. So the longer side here is 15 meters, but I will add extra 2 meters to make it 17. So that is what we are doing now. If you look at it, or it can go more, it can go more, something like 10, add extra 4, whatever you like. But don't do it too much, because it's going to consume you per line when you are doing your profile. So add extra meter for it not to be a lot of work for you. Cut. Facing you loud. Yeah, closer. Come closer. So this is the line now. You will not do it like this. It will not give you the square. You will do it this way. Do it this way. Do it this way. You see it will form a L shape, a 90-degree angle here. Oh yeah, go this side. Carry this thing. Go now. They go. Cut. Many of us did it. Don't work him. So we want to do the major part of the work, which is squaring. So this is called builder square. We have a carpenter square. So this is builder square. Call it builder square. So that is what we are going to use. But there are some other instruments that we use to do this thing. So we have to do it like this. Use the longer side of the square. So we have the shorter side of the square. This is the longer side. So we are looking for the angle here. Though we have taken the angle here, but we want to get the angle here to make it accurate 90 degree. So you have to use the longer side to get the angle. So that is what we want to do. Come closer. So you have to do your squaring. The one like this. You go. Where the talk again? You will go to the where the talk again? Now, here na pop na here. Where the talk again? Where the talk away? That's all. Small, let's go. That's all. I'm going to Cut